Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, today we are going to start book number 6. Open your book at page number 40. Today we are going to learn about water. What is water? Water is given to us by nature and it is very important for us. Without water, life is not possible. Look at the pictures below. Tick the picture which shows water saving and cross the one which shows wastage of water. Here are given some pictures. You can tick only those pictures which shows saving of water and cross those pictures which shows wastage of water. Here this picture shows wastage of water and you can cross here. This shows saving of water and you can tick here. Wastage of water, cross here. Wastage of water. This picture show wastage of water and this picture shows saving of water. Let us learn more about water as a natural resources. You know that water is a natural resources and we learn about the natural resources of water. Forms of water. Water is a natural resources. Water is natural resources. Nearly 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered with water. It is found in nature as groundwater in lakes, glaciers, seas, oceans, etc. You know that, dear students, water is a natural resources and nearly 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. It is found in nature as a groundwater in lakes, glaciers, seas, oceans, etc. Here are given some pictures. This picture shows a sea and this is lake and this picture is glaciers. In nature, water exists in all three forms: solid, liquid and gas. Water in nature, water exists in three forms: solid, second one is gas and third one is liquid. Solid, below 0 degrees Celsius, water exists in solid state as snow, ice and glacier. When temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, water exists in the solid state as snow, ice, etc. Liquid, between 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius, water exists in the liquid state. When temperature is in between 0 degree to 100 degrees Celsius, water exists in the liquid states. Liquid water is present in seas, ocean, lakes, rivers and in the ground. Gas, above 100 degrees Celsius, water exists in the gaseous form as water vapor. When temperature is above 100 degrees Celsius, water exists in the gaseous form. The gaseous form of water is the water vapor present in the atmosphere. The gaseous form of the water is water vapor which is present in atmosphere. The three forms or states of water are interchangeable with change in temperature. You know that the three forms of water are solid, liquid and gas. The solid, liquid or gas are interchangeable with change in temperature. Water can be changed to ice by cooling. Water can be changed to ice by cooling. When temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius, water change into ice. Ice can be changed water by melting. Ice can be changed water by melting. When water is heated, it changes to its gaseous state. Water changes into gaseous state by heating. Water vapor, steam, on cooling changes back to the liquid form of water. Water vapor on cooling changes back into the liquid form of water. This change in the form of water takes place in nature in the form of the water cycle, and this change in the form of the water takes place in nature in the form of the water cycle. Dear students, I hope you all are understand very well. Now we will meet next with the next topic. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.